Looking for a cozy, comforting meal that comes together in just one pot? With just a few ingredients, this one-pot lentil and ditalini pasta is hearty, healthy, and super satisfying. Toss in chopped onion, carrot, celery, and garlic. Let them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're soft and fragrant. Next, add your lentils, broth, salt, and black pepper. Bring everything to a boil, then lower the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 25 minutes until the lentils are almost tender. Stir in the ditalini pasta, making sure every piece is submerged. Simmer uncovered, stirring often until the pasta is just al dente and the liquid is absorbed, about 13 to 15 minutes. If the pot dries out too quickly, add in a splash of extra broth. When the pasta is al dente, stir in fresh parsley, taste, and adjust seasoning if needed. Serve it warm with a sprinkle of extra parsley and a squeeze of bright, fresh lemon juice for that final touch. And there you have it, a simple, wholesome, one-pot wonder that's packed with flavor and perfect for any day of the week. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.